Hi guys, welcome to another chaotic mess of a video on Avish's channel. This was Janmashtami, the first festival we celebrated campus pe. So we were like, of course we have to get dressed up and look all cute in Indian. The cultural committee here had organized these like games. There was like a balloon relay thing and there was a treasure hunt, and my team got eliminated in the treasure hunt because we're so dumb. Okay, so I'll tell you a little bit about what our day looks like. Normally classes start at 9 a.m. So we rush to have breakfast after waking up like at 8:30 and end up missing the breakfast like most of the time. Luckily our hostel बहुत पास है to the academic block, so it's not like we have to walk बहुत ज़्यादा. Sometimes we get breaks बीच में, so we just come back to our room and take a nap because we probably didn't sleep much the night before. I'ma print it out and pin ya. Gonna wake up, give me a pinch, yeah. Wasting time, I'm lonely, dying so slowly. Running in my own apartment, driving on my own because it's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evolved? So these last couple of days we were basically busy with the committee recruitment process. Basically here at IIM Jammu we have a lot of clubs and committees, so some of the committees had started their recruitment early on. Pehle they had their orientation where they told us about what work they do, and then they started the interviews and group discussions. So we were all really busy this week. This was me making a pitch deck for one of the committees that I applied to. Also the chicken biryani is so good here, oh my god. Chicken biryani and rajma at the mess is so good. And Nescafe ka chili cheese roll, which I basically live on. So we were just running around, changing into business formals, changing back into doggo clothes. Very like B-school core moments. We're waiting for our interview turns. It's honestly so cool to see like how hardworking our seniors are. Like everybody in every committee, they're working like 24/7. I don't think I've seen any of them take a break or even have like lunch, breakfast, dinner. They're literally always running around doing stuff, and it really inspires me to also want to work harder. What is this?
I forgot that your camera doesn't. Yeah, do the full thing.
You consent to being in my video. Hi guys, it's so hot. It's literally so hot here, and I've turned off the pankha so you guys can actually hear me. Today is Monday the 2nd of September. It is 7:30 p.m. I'm done with all of my classes today. I had 5 classes, one of them got cancelled, and now I'm just in my room. I don't have anything to do until like 10 p.m. Like I love how all of my videos were like, oh, so aesthetic, so pretty, and now it's just this. But this is reality. I have so much laundry, and every time I go to do laundry, somebody else's clothes are in there. I have to do laundry tonight. I have to open up this
shoe rack. I have to open up the shoe rack that I got. I have to put HIT in my room because we have so many machars, little like bugs that appear out of nowhere. What else did I have to do? I made a list of stuff that I had to do. And yeah, I actually don't have much else because I already washed my hair. It was all dirty. Oh my god, guys, we got our books today and it made me so happy. It just reminded me so much of being in school. Wait, I'll show you guys. This is Principles of Microeconomics. Then we have Financial Accounting for BBA. This is like literally pura 11th grade accounts. It's so easy. Touch wood. Thank God there is something that's like easy and doesn't require a lot of padhai. Obviously the science students are suffering, but then again I'm suffering with the next subject, business mathematics. Guys, kash mujhe maths aati, honestly. And also this subject I feel like I'm gonna not super easy time with. Introduction to computing and problem solving using Python. So yeah, we got all these books and I felt so happy. Like it was such a like school valley feeling. When we were having like committee recruitment processes the last couple of days, which was very intense and stressful. I mean, I only applied to 2 committees, so it was still okay for me, but other people who had applied to multiple committees were really having a hard time. It was like every 2 hours we had a new round, a new interview, a new GD, something. I think it's over now. I hope it's over now. Oh, I also have to wash like this flask thing I have and this mug, like all the little bartans that I have. And I want to read today. Like I actually want to make time to do all the things that I want to do for myself. Can these people stop talking? Yeah, I actually want to read today because I want to make time for things that I enjoy doing and that I want to do outside of academics. Honestly, it's been so hard to even make videos because time nahi hai, because I'm not even in the right headspace most of the time. But now I've just accepted that if I want to do this, then I'll have to adapt. I'll have to learn how to manage it in this environment with this wall and with this kind of lighting. It's okay though, it's not even that bad, honestly. It's so hot, guys. It's so hot. People think Jammu is cold earlier. It is so hot. It's like Delhi wala summers, but a little bit worse because like the sunlight is even more intensified here. I've even gotten like thoda sa tan. And honestly, it's such a new experience being in a hostel and sab kuch khud manage karna. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, it would be so nice if I was just going to some college ghar ke paas and I was living in my house and everything would be so convenient. But now I'm beginning to realize that there are so many skills that I'm learning being here, away from home, away from my comfort zone. And of course it's also really hard, but it gets easier every day. Also, I'm so lucky to have nice roommates. Hi, touch wood. Oh wait, did I show you guys my new wallpaper? I just put up this picture. Yeah, I put up this picture of me with my friends on like the last day before I left for Jammu. Because I wanted my wallpaper to be a picture of me being happy. So I can like look at it and remind myself to be happy. Don't go to college and get depressed, guys. Be happy. That's the hardest thing about being in a hostel, away from your home, away from your friends and family. It can really take a toll on your mental health. It has. But you have to find things to distract yourself with. I know you guys also must be going through this if you've joined college abhi. This video is going to be so real, so unaesthetic. Just the reality of mera ganda room and meri itni badi laundry. I ordered this shoe rack from Amazon and I forced all of my friends to help me set it up, and is sab ke baad bhi we set it up wrong. But it was such a like fun, cute core memory. One fun fact about Jammu is that it rains like hell here. Sometimes we have to walk through water which is like halfway up to our knees. That's when they let us wear chappals to class. Anyways, I hope you had fun watching this chaotic ass vlog. Like and subscribe and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!